having a visit. We've got a great collaboration with Armin here at UPM. Local Sun people in Shanghai. So as part of the collaboration, we're coming here to give a talk on Friday. But at the same time, just see Malaysia.
We also need them from the heat.
Exactly. No, it is actually it is cooler here than it is in London.
40 degrees Celsius. I
Yeah.
read the news is
So
the highest.
ever.
Let me see what. 25.
Lovely. 25 is great.
Alright, whenever you're ready, let's go out.
Dapatkan apa yang menarik. Ini kalau naik pagi lagi.
Itulah.
Setiap pagi kita boleh nampak yang binatang-binatang yang ditunjuk tu mesti boleh
Tapi
nampak kan.
tak sempat.
Alah.
Jadilah kalau kamu ikut. Sama je lagi.
Ini. Dennis.
Oh, nampak tu.
Selfie.
This is the chicken lesson. This one. This one right here.
Main.
It is.
Okay.
Oh, you see here, this is governor's house. Bel Retiro. Of course, the governor, he doesn't live here all the
Sorry.
time. He comes up here whenever there are events, important guests coming to Penang Hill. So you can look around, walk around. Would love to show you the snow cups, the Meranti tree, just the one that we mentioned. From up here, this is the best way to look at it. Is that bridge number one? Yes, number one. I think you took it earlier. Yeah. Let the people down from top kind of list. If there's anything or allies or messages to us delivering the mail, we will know. The people will go to the spot to get the mail. We stand by for any enemies. We will be on the moving to the the phone cannot really.
Sebelah nanti tengok.
Dalam phone nampak.
Pokok meranti.
Mana?
Mana Wifi? Duduk sana?
Wifi?
Wifi?
Depan ni.
Weh, Andy tak masuk. Kau kena depan Andy. Tengok atas.
Sekejap. Dr. Zul tengah.
Dr. Zul.
Jom, masuk.
Dr. Zul masuk.
Masuk Dr. Zul.
Okay. It's okay, sorry.
Siapa yang ni gaya?
Gaya.
Alright, look here. Okay.
Kena pegang.
1, 2, 3. Wah, Dr. Zul. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
This is a nice lookout point to watch the eagles as well. Sometimes you get a white-bellied eagle, of Brahminic type. You know Brahminic type, burung langit, the one in Langkawi, the big statue. During migratory bird season, you get to see on-government buzzard, others, migratory birds from Korea, China, all the way from Russia as well. One of the few bungalows up in here, other than the restaurant, so the back there used to be a hotel. Then it closed down.
Hotel up here.
Yes. It was called Crest Hotel. E&O Hotel in Penang, are you familiar? Eastern and Oriental Hotel. There is this hotel owned by the Sakis brothers. They also own it in the 1800s, but then it closed down because it's very expensive to maintain. Then it became a school after the international school, but the school already moved downtown. The school is still around, but that building itself is abandoned now. But it's very beautiful.
What is it now?
It's just
Empty.
there's a caretaker taking care of it. It belongs to the state government.
Okay.
I hiked to that side before and I went towards the furthest balcony to watch the view. What?
No idea. Where it came from? No idea. Suddenly it disappeared.
Is there like forest around?
We do have forest, not that expensive. Yeah, it's just some random hole.
I think that's the cause itself. That is the cause itself because forest is fragmented now.
Yeah.
So they just accidentally. Oh, UPN. You get one here. It's unusual. You don't get them at this house.
I mean, wasn't it Joe saying that there was a tiger here at UK, right?
What tiger?
Some wild animal near his office.
Who?
Joe.
Joe?
Yeah.
Oh, actually you can right at the back. It's a forest pretty much like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think they heard tigers. I'm not sure whether anybody managed to catch any.
Yeah, but they heard it.
Yeah, they heard. They're like
pretty-
wow.
Roaring.
Yeah.
She put a camera trap there.
Yeah.
What can get a tiger?
Yeah. Tigers eat here.
Ah.
Okay. Yeah. Tigers eat rat. They can open it. Yeah, with the claws. Yeah, the claws. because durian when they has fallen to the ground has ripe and it's already cracked.
Yes.
So
already
one minimum effort to open it.
Wow, I
Yeah.
didn't expect them to like fruit.
Yeah, they're actually omnivores.
Oh.
Stripy.
Stripy, yes. That's the first one. The first time I heard that they eat durian.
Some cats eat cucumber. Some cats.
Aren't they scared of cucumber? I saw this video of people throwing cucumbers at cats and then.
Oh,
they
you
would
right.
jump.
Yeah. I don't have any cat eating cucumber video, but yeah, some cats eat cucumber, eat vegetables. So actually, in that family, when it's needed, they can be omnivore.
They can adapt.
Yeah, they can adapt.
I know that cats do like sometimes with months on grass.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see the airport from here as well.
Convalescent.
Yeah, convalescent, right here. It's one of the first few bungalows built.
Convalescent from what?
Recovering from
Illness,
fever,
well,
dengue,
malaria.
Malaria.
I believe everyone learned about Francis Light last time in the
Yep.
history book. Yeah. Do you know why Francis Light died? Remember?
Malaria.
Yeah. Ironically. Yes. Yeah, he died from malaria. He came up here. He built all these very nice sanitarium, but then still succumbed to malaria. And by the way, Penang Island used to be called Prince of Wales Island.
I didn't know.
Yes, this
Oh
island.
yeah, I forgot to mention that. Oh, you beat me to it.
Yes, and then the mainland, you know the Penang, there is the island part, there is the mainland part. The mainland was called province of Wellesley.
I think there is a school, the Princess of Wales School,
Oh, right.
somewhere around here.
Prince of Wales.
Prince
yes,
of-
yes, yes,
yeah,
yes.
yeah.
Balik Pulau. In Balik Pulau.
Oh yeah, kita pergi mana sekarang?
Butterfring.
Butterfring, is it?
No, Balik Pulau side. It's another part.
Another part.
Behind. A bit more kampung, way more chill and relaxed. If you go to Balik Pulau, you think, am I even in Penang? It doesn't feel like Penang. Very relaxed.
I'm asking the question now. Am I really here?
I'm really.
I'm thinking how to go down.
You guys got a car?
Yeah.
Good.
Oh yeah. We went back previously.
Do they?
That belongs to Mardi.
Yes, Marty.
Yeah.
Yes, it is
We
correct.
went to see the rice plant.
Part of your visit list.
Yeah. Yes.
Like last time we used to have to harvest like what, once a year. This is the well, you can again.
Itu lah. Macam too ambitious, your hand too short. front of this pine, they got different varieties. They got that one, you know, buttery. Oh, this one's like the citrusy lemony. Is there, what is it? Not that one. Correct one. So we can compare with the bucket. Yeah, I'll do it. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's it smells something else, like some kind of candy.
It does, I think.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
Right?
Crush it, really crush it.
Really crush it, yes.
Squeeze out all the oil. Wow, very nice.
Very nice.
This is not
Essential oil.
way to hallucinate somehow, right?
I don't know.
Where are we then? The fog come.
It might. Sometimes it get misty up here. Yeah, you can see a lot of this. Oh wow, it's flowering right now. When you see over there, it's flowering. Only this one. But this is orchid also. We have our Hoya. It's naturally grown here. And this tree.
Epipodium.
Okay, we're going down this way. Ah yes. Jadi kamu.
Walay.
So ni nak tunjuk this was a painting of this place, the stairs and the ground of the treetop from 1800.
Oh.
So yeah, this place is very old.
Yeah. 18. Where were you? Don't know where.
My grandfather was born here.
Is that for the sale or for the conservatory?
For sale and also for planting around here. We try to recover back again our butterfly bank, which collapsed due to the landslide. So we planted a lot of plants like Langur, the Dutchman pie, two of them. This one is vanilla by color.
Oh.
So we tried the butterfly plant.
Itu satu fish mermaid snail.
Amazing, yes.
It's velvety, glabrous. You know, it feels like you just sent your husky for a room.
It's got long hair.
Micro hairs.
Yes.
Micro hair, but very fluffy.
Yeah. If you look at like this, you can see.
Yeah, you can see it from this angle. You can, the sun kind of kissing the hair.
Yes.
Yeah.
Giving that color.
Yes.
This is ginger also, Costaceae from Costaceae family, Costus ginger. But normally Costus ginger they grow like spirally. This one surprisingly grows straight like this. Oh, you see something down there? You notice it?
Yeah, this is another one.
Oh, I see. Familiar with jewel orchid?
Jewel, yeah, I heard that.
Our jewel orchid grow like at random places here. We have one here. Oh, it's flowering. Oh, yes,
So tiny.
yes. They, yeah. This is the flower.
The jewel orchid.
You see?
Oh.
Yes. Jewel orchid is one of those orchid famous for the foliage and not the flower. The leaf is prettier compared to the flower.
What about this?
Interesting.
This one, we call this
Itulah
lollipop.
daun dia.
Ya, atas tu.
Oh, okey. Bunga dia yang tak berapa cantik. Tu.
Yep.
Mananya nak ambil gambar?
Lollipop.
Lollipop.
I've tasted good life.
No, you wouldn't see it if you weren't looking at it.
Yeah.
If something happened to you, something happened to me too. The best is
Why spicy?
maybe for your nasi kandar this one. This one is better actually. I mean, this one, the one that is already open like that.
This one.
Yes.
Mm.
It's flowering right now.
Now I'm the proboscis monkey.
Tu yang ujung mana putih tu doktor.
Yang dah terbuka macam ni.
You'd have to know it was there.
Ambil tu.
We do
Dah.
this
It's sweet, it's sweet. Yeah.
because we have few pictures.
I tried it.
Yeah.
Yes, trying it. I'll show you, but for normal visitors, I don't really show it.
The white is open for a bit.
Show them once and suddenly
And then it's
disappear the
gone.
next day.
Yeah.
The nectar, right?
Yeah, the nectar is sweet.
Be careful of the ants.
Yeah, I got the net there. Once one of the ants.
Asalnya kalau pedas tu kau makan dulu.
Pedas tu nasi kandar ni kot.
Semut tu pedas rasanya.
Oh, semut. You probably it was probably the ants.
This one. It's got the nectar coming oozing
Oh,
out.
whoa, Jen. You have had one.
This one, whenever we have school kids, like very small one, I don't really want to show it to them
Yeah,
because
'cause I
once
Yeah.
you give to one,
Everyone.
everyone.
Yeah.
It's
The
not
name
gonna be
Lollipop.
Lollipop.
Not be destroyed.
There is another plant in here we call it soap bush. Let me see if I can find it around. The reason why is it's called soap bush because if you take a few leaves, gather it, and then rub it with wet it and rub it between your hands, you get soap out of it. So you can touch first. This is the leaf actually. It's very common. If you go on a hike, you'll see a lot of these plants.
Yang kasih.
Itulah.
This is
Merah semua.
apa tu? Tiba-tiba lupa.
Merah semua malah.
Okay. Okay. Everyone touch it first. I want to show you. I want to demonstrate to you how it can become soap. It's called soap bush. Right. Let me have all of them. Yeah, touch semua sedang. Ya bulu-bulu sikit. Penduduk bulu in Malay.
Merah semua.
Melastoma.
Melastoma malabatricum.
No, malah
Malabatricum the other one, the purple one.
Dah apa?
So, yeah, some water.
Okay. Wet it a little bit.
Yeah.
Then just rub it between your hands.
Is that snake?
Cakap dia.
Frothy, foamy.
For me, frothy.
For me, yes. So here you go. So it's very once you clean with water again, you will feel your hands very clean. It has its antibacterial properties also.
Antiseptic.
Yes, yes, it does actually. So in the forest, you see this? You need soap, you need tissue even
Yeah.
to wipe. This can act as tissue. Although it's slightly hairy, it might tickle you a little bit.
It's alright.
At least
People are
it's
hairy anyway.
So yes, so that is the soap bush. The leaves is useful, can act as a soap and a tissue, and the berries are edible. Later when I see the berry, I'll show you. I mean, you can try.
So dikira sebagai weed species dulu. Kat kebun getah.
Masa kat
Memang ni lah daun ni. Itu dia sebab dia lebar. Kalau yang lain tu daun kecil-kecil. Jadi kalau emergency, ya sudah.
tak nak pilih ni kan ni besar. Dah lepas tu tebal.
Takut gatal pula. Jenuh nak
Habis lah
mengganggu.
gatal.
Habis nak mengganggu.
This is the beehive ginger. It's also famously known as shampoo ginger.
And again, you can use it to
On your put on your hair.
Squeeze it.
Yes. Very earthy.
Thank you.
Yes, put on the hair.
Feel pretty already.
Feel pretty.
Even prettier.
Even prettier than fucking old girl.
So this beehive ginger also they're quite seasonal. The flowering time. We only get this around this time of the year. Yeah, we got the flower. Other than that, just green, nothing here. Last time we used to put this in our brochure, and people say, "I want to see this."
Oh yeah. Okay.
It's not around at the moment.
Dia dah rupture dah.
Oh.
Sebab orang duk picit yang cantik dah.
Dia dah tak ada.
Dah tak ada dah.
Air kosong.
Air kosong.
Air hujan.
Air hujan je.
Saya keluarkan ginger ni saya cabut dia.
Oh,
kan
funny.
talak kan. Oh bukan daun ni lain.
So this berry we call it Christmas berry. We call it coral berries as well. It is edible actually. This berry. The scientific name is Sacandra glabra. Another common name is Glabrous Sacandra. Wow. So this is the seed and this is the flesh. The flesh is edible. The seed is also edible actually, but the seed is very bitter. So when you bite this fruit accidentally, the whole thing becomes bitter. But in terms of taste-wise, this tastes like jambu air. Water apple.
Water apple.
Yeah, it tastes like water apple. And it's good for people with hypertension. Yeah,
Oh,
it's very
that's good for me then.
You have hypertension?
Yeah, always. That's my default.
So this is a berry, okay, edible. And we have the leaf as well. I want you to smell the leaf. The leaf is very fragrant. In Chinese, it's called Guanyin Cha. Guanyin is goddess of mercy. Okay, crush it. Crush. No, tea. You can make tea. You add hot water to it.
If it's not the tea leaf, I think it's called tea sane, right? Tea sane. When you brew, the leaves that you use is not from the Camellia sinensis, but it's from other plant species. It's called tea sane.
Tea. Oh, that's
You
it.
can't call it tea.
Yeah. There's a
I always call
specific
it
terminology for it. Tea sane. Tea sane.
I call it
Yeah, infusion can call it infusion as well.
now smells. Now that you crush it, smells good. Yeah.
Okay.
And goddess of mercy.
Reminds me of Ulam Raja.
No. Okay, normally ulam raja the flower is pink color. You have many other cosmos as well. What other cosmos is not edible?
They're not fragrant. Ulam Raja is fragrant. Yeah. The cosmos they just aesthetically smell.
What about the flower? Is it edible?
Cosmos. Generally, maybe Ascaraceae.
The flowers?
Basically,
Edible.
Yeah.
Satu, satu dua
Remember the shape of the
kilometer.
leaf? So jewel orchid, they have different variety. You see this leaf right here? This is also jewel orchid. Right here. There. Very beautiful leaves, right? So this, I don't normally show to people. If it's missing tomorrow, I know I should find. Male color. Only the male color.
Ada banyak.
Memang suasana hutan.
A lot of the cities usually depends on rain and the sun. We do have rainy season. Yeah, but not sure how it is like throughout Malaysia because northern side our rainy season at different months compared to our season is rainy, hot, dry season.
Okay.
Very dry. It's expected to be dry soon. Yeah. All the way until August. But we shall see. Because Penang Hill is always different from the rest of the island. It's from the hill. Yeah, stirring water. Right. Quite unique here actually. So the reason why it's called salt is hiding.
Memory dah
The
pernah.
reason, the reason why because it's the spores that look like they are hidden.
They're not laid down. Yeah, normally they're hidden.
Yeah.
But,
Okay, more. See, the reason why I said that they are cold weed, the soap bush, it covers the whole area here.
Really well disguised. Yeah. Holes in its wings, like lace. Is it lace with the wings? Yeah, got holes in it.
No.
Is it transparent?
Transparent.
Wings.
It's
beautiful.
Itu budak mana kan? Asal ada daun.
Harvestman here.
I think it's a husband, yeah.
Different parts of the world. That's the thing about the nail, isn't it? Like different places they call different things. The very long legs. For us, we call the harvestman. I saw a meme. It's more like of nature bio kind of meme. This are the discovery center.
Tak tahu apa.
All the things that we have found in the park.
Kaki yang panjang.
Dead already, by the way.
Oh,
The Helen.
Papilio ni dia.
You know, if you sweat a lot, it might stop on you.
Okay.
Yeah,
So yeah,
so this is we have tarantula. Remember, I told you that our missing tarantula. This is not the one. So all these
boleh tengok dari belakang.
specimen here, we found it already dead. So just preserve it out. We have big size crab here also. We have a small string
terrestrial crab.
here on Penang Hill. We can find it here. This one was just lost actually, and then died. And we
SpongeBob
just
punya
preserved
bos.
it. This is a whip scorpion, not actually a
Wih,
scorpion.
besar ni.
The reason why it's called whip scorpion,
Hanoi kan?
scorpion because it has things like a scorpion.
I need to
At the
smell.
end of the tail, they have a long
Ikan daun.
Formalin.
tail that look like a whip. That's why it's called whip
Formaldehyde
scorpion.
in the form of solution.
Tarantula, the crab just now, the vampire crab, trapdoor spider. Oh, this one is very big. Trapdoor spider, very unique. The way they build their nest is very similar to tarantula. They build a tunnel on a slope. But for trapdoor, they have a door right in front of it. But for tarantula, no doors required. Then we have scorpion.
Crystal.
The it's still there.
Resin damar.
Yes, we have damar minyak. Yep. Anyone with lighter?
Lighter.
Yes.
Ajak rokok kan?
This is a good fire starter actually. This resin here is coming from that tree.
Nak try doktor?
Of course. Tapi mana lighter kau tak bawa?
Oh, it's okay. We can go to that tree. Hopefully got some coming out fresh one. Then I will let you smell. Nanti karun.
Dikunci.
Tak tengok.
When they have injuries and they want to cover the injuries preventing from the infection. That's when they secret their pretty dry.
Some sort of animal one.
Yeah. Yeah.
That one on the tree?
Yeah, or is it
Oh,
just
no.
a mark on the tree?
It's just I think no, not like it's just probably dead cut.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, interesting.
It's okay, it's okay. I thought it could be the giant squirrel. Yeah, looking for the wet resin.
Let's see.
This one is slightly
Shall we tap it like rubber tapping?
can actually. No, I want you to now this is the resin one.
It's like sounds,
Oh, yeah.
smells medicinal.
Yeah.
Yeah, it smells like
a resin.
incense.
You know, like Sensei shop
Yeah, yes.
about to go out of business. Yeah, that smell.
Yeah, this is
Yeah. Punya bau tok. Kedai buat Cina.
a bit like
Tak main-main. Lagi banyak ada
kemenyan.
ketuk.
It smells like incense. So yes, bogota.
Pokok getah.
So in
Getah. Pokok
rubber, yes.
Rubber.
Last time in the last time they used to use this resin to seal the side of boats. Because
sealant.
yes, after a while, you see what happened to the resin. This one is quite hard, right? The one that we saw on the Discovery Center. So it will harden and prevent water from coming in. And this tree is very good to make furniture.
I think it's like amber, right? It
Yeah.
solidified, the resin solidified and
Yeah.
trap the insect inside,
Can
all
do,
the
yeah.
old
Yeah.
fossils inside.
So it's good because it produces resin. It prevents termite. Termite will not like it. It's good wood to make furniture and also instruments. They actually use it to make guitar.
Pokok yang straight ni dia tak ada
Cabang.
Cabang
Atas.
kecil je. Untuk pokok, ni macam pokok hutan ni. Pokok balak
sebab
ni.
dia berjiran. Kadang-kadang pokok tu dia tak ada cabang sebab dia dekat nak cahaya.
Yes. Okay, I want you. Yes. Okay. You can take the leaf. Now I want everyone to smell it.
What is that? It's very smooth.
Smell the leaf.
Macam
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Macam bawang.
Macam bawah.
Confusing smell.
Thank you.
It smells like garlic. Isn't
Honey.
it? It's a garlic vine.
Garlic vine.
Yeah.
It's called.
Stronger.
It's called garlic vine.
It's called garlic vine.
Nasi goreng.
It smells like my mother about to call.
Oh.
Help me at the kitchen.
Tekan. Jangan kacau.
Okay. You got one berry here. Anyone would like to try the soapbush berry? I mean, I think you're the. You want to try it?
I've tasted good, nice.
Yes. You've done well. So this is the
Oh,
berry,
it's
purple.
iridescent.
Okay, so it's not actually coloured.
Yeah, it's not actually
Yeah.
coloured. It's just the refraction of light.
Fraction of light. So.
Iridescent. Melayu dia tak tahu.
Pantulan.
Because it has anthocyanin, so antioxidant. Sweet. Sweet.
Too bad you cannot.
It's called the saltbush berry.
The soapbush.
Saltbush.
Saltbush, yes.
Saltbush has a sweet berry.
Yes.
That's
So the berry
confusing.
is edible. The leaves
I feel healthier with small amount of anthocyanin.
can. If you see more, you can try. But make sure you ask me first.
Makan salah.
Find nothing away. We find nothing.
I'll show you something. This is the fruit that it is iridescent. It's not just a pigment.
No?
You see, if it was the
pigment?
highly colored plants,
Yes.
the
It
whole
will
might
stain your
have,
fingers.
yeah. But this not very minimum stain.
Very minimum. So this doesn't count as
It's not pigments. It's the structure of the surface.
just a
Fruit
surface.
surface, yeah. Yeah, refract the light in certain way, like a peacock's
Yes,
feather.
yes. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, it's not really pigments. Yeah, you will see different color in different angles. That is
Yes.
yellow,
Macam familiar ni.
blue. If you immerse in water,
Ingat
color
ke?
gone.
Macam ada buah.
Ni like if I immerse this in the water, it has different.
Lain.
Apa dia?
Nanti grandma recall. Nampak grandma.
Not the primary state.
Okay.
No, this is simple. Google, look up iridescent.
I know iridescent because iridescent is a pattern with bird's feather.
Yeah. Selaginella wilgonuiae. There's this fern. Has the iridescent.
Selaginella, yes,
Yeah.
Selaginella, yes.
Selaginella, yeah.
But it does contain the same feature. But not the primary feature.
If 100% of the same, yes, to the pigment, my color would be like completely blue now.
It's like, what about like blue pea and the watermelon? That one is
That's in the anthocyanic.
But this now you immediately can guess when you look at the surface.
Yes, it looks like it.
Let me see. Let's find again. Another one. Yes. No, because I really like
If that berry was a blueberry, my hair would be like completely blue. Like
deep root of
yeah.
Yes. Yeah. You didn't get to try it?
So okay. Want to try?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We'll try. I think I'm gonna can you see
daun
reflections?
pudina.
Bukan.
Saya ambil tadi.
Tak
tanya
ada.
kan.
Tak
There's a
Sama
reflection on
bau.
the surface of the skin.
Yeah. It looks glistening.
Tiba-tiba balik semua pening. Tolong.
Oh yes.
Sila makan.
Yes. Oh, okay. This is very delicious. Thank you.
Tu tadi 25.
What else like? What
tak
other
silap
plants
kan?
that?
Tak, 25
Suhu dia
25. Laura Paris, there is a range of eyeshadow. They call it imago. Not imago. They got inspired from the butterfly's wing.
Or like the gems broke the
Yeah. Because that's also iridescent. Yeah. So some people use that as a building paint because if it's pigment, it's going to weather
yes,
and
yes.
decay over time. But if it's iridescent, it's going to last for a very long time. Because it's not really pigment. It's just the way it reflects.
Bukan. Ingat pudina tu.
Yeah.
This is our ginger garden, by the way.
Ginger garden.
Yes. There's a insect bats.
It's a bat.
Yeah, there's a butterfly. I don't know why lately these insect bats has been flying around during daytime. Like
Mating time.
No. Introduce yourself.
That is violent.
they get to catch them, right? If you look at their face, they have very tiny eyes, very small eyes, because for them they use their ears. They have big ears to listen to like insects. For fruit bats, they have big eyes. This one, my friend described the face look like muka pecah.
Yeah.
Tu lah.
Hi.
Ni asyik beli air tak ada halia tu. Cabutlah ni. Ada dengar.
Itu bunga kantan kalau dibiar tak habis. Sini
Dia jadi
Mungkin
fertilizer.
macam ni.
Tu yang tadi tu.
Apa shampoo?
Shampoo, ginger shampoo.
Ni ambil ni basuh tangan.
Okay, we have one here. The racket-tailed drongo. Although this one, you don't see the tail, probably lost it
Oh yeah, right.
during fight.
Okay.
This branch.
Oh.
You see the black colored bird
Oh yeah.
over there?
Oh yeah, I saw that. I saw it.
So this is
But it hasn't got the tail.
it's either it's a juvenile
A juvenile.
or
Oh.
it lost its tail. Sometimes when they fight
During
with each
fighting?
other, yeah, they pick each other's tail. Mhm. But it will grow
The
again.
butterfly again.
Oh, will grow again.
It will grow.
Just above.
Okay,
Top.
so
On the that's close.
they are very territorial. You see the size of this bird? Not that big, right? Medium-sized bird. I've seen this racket-tailed drongo chase after eagles before. Eagles, like when they fly, the wingspan is like this huge. Kantan, yes. Kantan is so expensive, you say. Kantan is a torch ginger. Penang laksa. The Penang laksa, the base is fish. So to remove the fishy smell from the soup, they add this ginger. This is a torch ginger. The flower is very fragrant. I think I can take a bit of the flower to just the peel smell.
That's the. Actually, it looks quite nice when it's in full bloom. Yeah, it just has
Smells
lots of
is very
but with
What?
strong fragrance.
a younger flower.
Reminds me of nasi kerabu. So.
Well, that's the ingredient.
I think everyone should know.
You can order nasi goreng kerabu.
I think this is red button ginger. This one everyone will get to try the flower.
Oh, pisang pun ni.
Yeah. Also costas ginger. This is the flowering part. Anyone would like to try?
Try what?
The flower here. The entire thing. The whole thing.
Let's try today.
Yes.
And
Yeah, this.
They will taste
Last
spicy.
thing, tap on it. Very nice. Sweet, sour, crunchy.
oh,
Like apple.
mm.
It's very nice. It's very nice actually.
Macam rasa benda main bulu.
Yes. Come, let's give
Sweet,
Professor
sour.
one.
Yeah.
Chili.
One for you.
Crunchy.
Okay.
Very nice.
Thank you.
No ants.
No ants. No ants.
No ants.
Is this the same?
This one is different. This one is
Oh,
called
ni.
Crossus speciosa. The flower is white color. That one
Okay,
is just
okay.
help yourself.
Bagi Jen.
Oh,
Jen.
Really unusual.
we just eat.
Yep.
No, I tell you about the star fruits.
Yeah.
Star fruits, the wild bilimbi. It tastes kind of like this.
So
Oh, ada
this
lagi
one,
satu.
this over there. You can take one.
That is a
Betul
When
tu.
you squish this, you will see the nectar coming out. But in terms of the
Nak ke?
taste,
Coming out.
it's not sweet at all. This one, yes.
Oh, hello.
Saya nak cuba tu. Pik.
So this one is a new flower coming out. If you plant this at home, right, you get the flowers almost every day. You can add the flower into your
Naga.
salad to give a bit of acidity.
Tropical salad. Remember see?
Yes. Rhizomia.
Jual ke?
sedap ke tak?
Masam. Sour.
But nothing much.
Masam sangat.
Eat the whole bush.
Saya makan semua.
Jangan gelojok tau. We're just coming later. Boy around.
I can see this one. A lot of ants.
Memang kalau sikit-sikit tu just nice.
Because the ants and the ginger they have symbiotic.
Keluar air liur dah.
Sama.
Between the flower.
Dia patah balik.
Oh wow, vegetarian.
Depending
Depends on the ginger. There is something called Embark system.
Masam.
Hey, get the name for this. Note down the scientific name of it. Okay.
Nak ambil lah.
It makes it even hungrier.
Kembang ya.
Jap, ambil gambar jap.
Wah, macam buah jambu.
Makan lah.
Nak, saya ada ambil gambar jap. Masam sangat tu.
Yes.
Ada nama dia ke? Oh tak.
Tak ada.
Tak ada.
Kena tanya ni.
Surga.
Kena tanya apa ni? Kena takat gambar dia.
Betul. Dah lama tak jadi macam budak.
Dekat rumah tak boleh. Ada anak.
Tak apa.
Tak ubah bagi contoh.
Kena bagi contoh.
Sedap tak?
Betul tak doktor ambil ulang-ulang kali?
Sebab dia crunchy tu. Crunchy masam.
Ada manis kah?
Ada. Toh makan semua sebab Toh makan semua. Hi. Be friend with me. Hi, be friend with me.
Yellow iris.
Yellow iris.
We have the purple and white one.
Iris macam ni. Macam orchid kan?
Actually. So small.
Avian. We provide the CO2 to them.
So yeah, but then the flower is actually inside the fruit,
Alright.
and they have very particular pollinators, which are the
Oh,
wasps.
the was the ovipositor.
Yes.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yes, they will
So
fly inside.
whenever you eat a fig, you actually something in it.
Wasp inside.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
isn't it like quite controversial for like vegan, for example,
Oh, whether you eat that because
to
there
eat?
was a wasp inside.
Yes.
Vegan when they go extreme,
Yeah.
ignore.
Alright, so everyone, you got your tickets with you? Now we're going to enter the gift shop. The squirrels are not out. I was like looking around for the squirrels. Okay, just get a ticket here. Ada baik kalau tak? Okay.
Oh.
Alright. Yeah. Can look around. I'm gonna buy some books.
Oh, this is the guy that she mentioned.
Ishak.
Yeah, naturalist.
Dia mention banyak tadi.
Dia mention banyak. This guy one of the guys.
Amin.
Yeah.
This is. Let me see. Got her picture. This is a book by her.
Yeah.
There.
Oh, she's an adventurous. Recharge. We need to recharge.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, apa ni?
Tak tulis ke? Sorry.
It's for Cammy.
Apa ni? Kingwood.
Hah?
Silence.
Oh, colok ke?
Oh.
Dia bakar. Dia bakar.
Ginger aromatic ni ikut.
Warna sabun.
Dia lain. Apa dia? Kau ambil dia?
Itulah, tu semua wangi lah.
Tu dia orang. Ni ikut. Cuba. Sibuk. Oh. Juga.
Bukan.
Bukan semua. Mimpi kau je lah.
Baru lah. Saya bukan seseorang yang dekat.
Boros.
Ada bau sikit. Tak tahu yang mana.
Boros. Somebody visiting?
I don't know.
Somebody transparent visiting?
Okay, so if you guys ready, I think that thing is fine.
Oh yeah.
Whenever you guys are ready, I will assist you to the back. Then the shuttle will send you to the train station.
Oh, you got a shuttle?
So actually, this is the end of the guided walk. Alright, okay. So I hope you have a good time.
So what was your name?
Karina. Yes. Hai, Fauna.
No. Actually, Corona's
Tanya pokok yang tadi tu. Yang nak tengok komen.
Yes.
Cari on site kan.
Yeah, it's not a bad thing.
Mana dapat?
Depan tu.
Yeah, we should take a one picture.
Right, thank you so much everyone.
Alright.
Hope you have a good time. Good time in Penang as well.
Very good.
I see you again, hopefully, for another visit.